Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. My name is Elizabeth and it's getting darker and I'm using the front camera. I'm not gonna use this for a long time because I can see it's not that bright. So I have things to do. First of all, right now I'm going to fold laundry and I'm going to put some things on my couch, some fleece. You know, I have a pink and blue one that I put there for my son. I don't want him to put his shoes right on the couch straight, because washing those couch covers, it's a mission. So I'm going to put them there for him to enjoy being on the couch. Then yeah, as the day goes on, I will see where this vlog is gonna get me. The day is already done. I'm tired. Did laundry in the morning, I did some cooking, some dishes. Previous videos will show you that. So yeah, subscribe to my channel and welcome to today's video. I hope you are going to enjoy it. This is what I am going through currently. It was a little bit of extreme laundry because it was a 2 weeks laundry. When I say extreme, I mean things that are not usually here. This pink, this blue, this sweet pink, blush pink, you may say, the gray, they are big. So it's extreme for me. Extreme for me, it's things that are not usually on the laundry weekly. Have those ones here, the cream white or beige, they are matching with the couch that side. So when he's here, I remove them. I put this one. I think I must need a same color, but for now I'm using these ones, avoiding the chiller there. And I also have this gray one, the gray one, and as you can see, the cushions, I have washed the covers. They're still on the line, but they're dry. Someone was using the camp chair. I'm gonna fold it just now and remove it. This chair is always here because I like sitting on this chair. On the other hand, I'm thinking I would rather use the blue and the gray. This pink is too sweet for the pink one is too sweet, guys. But I bought them before yeah, you feeling the missing weight. Yo guys, I own 5 fleece with how many? 2 same colors and 3 different colors. Meeting. I see meeting.
This white.
I already use white. I think this, or should I buy this again? I think this is fine. I'm done packing, so my son can enjoy the couch. I removed the carpet because I was hosting on the 16th. It was my birthday son, so I called my family. Then we were together in this house. I didn't take any videos for the public view. I think some of the things are private, like our birthdays and things that I do in the family. I think they are so private that I can show you guys on internet. I can just put pictures here and there, but yeah, I removed that carpet because last time when I left it here, it gave me a job. It was so dirty. I remember we drank all sorts of liquids, be water, be alcohol, be fizzy drinks, acidic ones. So I just said, let me remove it and I'll put it back. I don't know when. I'll just leave the space like this for now, and let me just go and fold in the laundry. So this laundry is in my daughter's bedroom because she's not here. She went to the grandma, which is my mother. She went to the grandma, which is my mother. I'm utilizing the space. this is the end of my day. It was in the afternoon. Yeah, the day was very long because I've been productive as a busy mom who is always not in the house during the week. So I have to manage things over the weekend, which is only 2 days. You can imagine. So yeah, forgive me for blurring out the part there. Most of these ones are undies. So I think it will be fair to show you like that. But the order of the day is that I'm done with the day. I'm removing the last batch of laundry from the line, and then that it is. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. I hope you have subscribed. If you haven't, please do so. And if you're still here, thank you so much for being here until this time. It means a lot to me, and I appreciate your time too. So please do share, like, and comment down below. We are still going on. We are still pushing. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.